But first, we have personal injury attorney Ken Riley. He's here to take a look at one of your email questions. And Ken, tonight's question comes from Clarence, and Clarence writes in telling us that my neighbor decided to start raising bees, but my daughter is dangerously allergic to them. My neighbor is aware, but says that he can do what he wants on his property. If my daughter is stung and has to be treated, or worse, can I take legal action against my neighbor? So what do you think?
Yeah, interesting. You know, I've actually seen more and more people, it seems like, are growing bees or keeping bees, which is fine. But, and I think the neighbor is right. I think he can do things on his property, but he has to do them safely. So here's what I would do. If a bee or anything else that is on one property and goes on to another property, if you own those and he owns the bees because he keeps them, if it goes onto your property, that could be a trespass, okay? And it could also be a nuisance. So what you need to do is, while I think you said that the neighbor did know that your daughter had that allergy, what I would say is put that person on notice. Let them know, look, I'm going to write you a letter, I'm going to put it in your mailbox, or I'm going to send it to you. I want you to sign for it, send it certified mail, and that way you've documented the fact that he knows that your daughter has an allergic, can have an allergic reaction to bee stings. And if he does not keep his bees on his property, now of course, how do you prove that they're his bees? I mean, that's going to be one of those things that if it ever comes to you know, one way or the other, is going to be something that you're going to have to work to prove. But put them on notice. Maybe they can move them and put them on a far piece of the property. But it is a situation where that person would be responsible if he caused, or any of his creatures caused, any injury to you.